Nandito tayo ngayon sa Dr. Ernesto T. Nicdao Sports Center para sa ikalawa at huling araw ng DAVSU 2024 Jobs Fair na inorganisa ng Career Service and Placement Office ngayong taon. Humigit kumulang 40 industry partners ang dumalo at daang-daang estudyante at mga alumni ang pumunta sa affair na ito upang makahanap ng OJT opportunity at employment opportunity. Simula kahapon ay dagsaan na ang mga graduating students at alumni ng Don Honorio Ventura State University upang lumahok sa 2024 Job Fair. Sa taong ito, nasa humigit kumulang na 80 kumpanya ang bumisita sa universidad upang makahanap ng mga potensyal na OJT interns at empleyado. Iilan sa mga kumpanyang dumalo ang McKinney, Toyota, SM, PruLife UK, Manulife at Alphamart. Nariyan din ang BJMP, Icor, Asia Brewery Incorporated at iba pa. Ang programang ito ay ginaganap taon-taon upang mabigyan ang mga graduating honorians at ang mga alumni ng pagkakataon na ipakita at ipamalas ang kanilang abilidad at kakayahan sa kanilang kanya-kanyang larangan. Ayon kay Mary Joy Calma, isang BSHM student.
I am Mary Joy Calma and I am here looking for an opportunity for my OJT this coming 2025, and I believe there is 3 qualities of mine that can help me to become the best applicant for this job fair. My top 3 qualities are: I am an optimistic person, next is multitasker, and I can work under pressure. And I hope those qualities can help me to find my the right OJT work for me. And thank you, DAVSU, for this fair. And that's all. Thank you.
Ayon naman kay Mr. Jomar Bacad ng Katana Trade Grade Incorporation.
Good morning. I'm Jomar Bacad, the HR Supervisor of Katana Trade Grade Incorporation. We're inviting you to join us in our team. We need a lot of positions that will be offered to you. We have accounting analysts, sales and marketing, and sales professional, and sales executive under sales and marketing department. Also, we have requirement for the qualification. We need a personnel, male or female. We're inviting all alumni in Don Honorio Ventura State University to join us in our team. Again, thank you.
Isang mensahe ng pasasalamat naman ang ibinahagi ng Career Services and Placement Coordinator na si Ms. Cristal Rio Manuel sa mga dumalong industry partners. Sa kanyang mensahe,
of course, first of all, I would like to thank lahat ng mga tumanggap or nag-accept ng invitation namin for the job fair part 2. Ayan, so this is already our second job fair for this year. And sana, ayan, in the future, makakapag-join ulit sila because ang laki-laki ng tulong na binibigay nila sa Honorian community. Especially, they're providing employment opportunities to our dear Honorians. And para po dun sa mga gusto pang sumali, dun sa mga future job fairs natin, don't worry po, just reach out to the DAVSU Office of Career Services FB page or pwede rin kayo mag-visit din sa office namin.
ang taunang job fair na ito ay inilulunsad ng universidad upang tiyakin na ang mga honorians ay magkaroon ng disenteng trabaho at maunlad na pamumuhay. Ako po si Bianca Habon mula sa Public Relations and Industry Linkages Office.